In this video, we're going to be recreating Windows 8.1 and Windows 7 Super Lite. Both of them are Super Lite. We're going to recreate that video that I just reposted. So we're basically going to be making an exact replica of what it was going to be and what it could have been. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Turn on notifications if not already, and let's get into it. Okay, so first I should mention that this is not on physical hardware. This is a virtual machine. I did not have a machine low end enough to do it on physical hardware, so we're just gonna have to roll with it. So first, typical virtual machine stuff. So we're gonna get the Windows 8.1 first. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted. There we go. We'll get the Windows 8.1 done first. So, okay, so now we're going to. I have two 32 gig virtual drives. This installation is incredibly simple. Like, it basically gets you straight to the installing windows because everything else is pre-configured because this is a very what's my word? Stripped down version of Windows, so this install will go very quick, but so I can describe what's going on real quick, but like we're basically this should only take like 10 minutes. So then we're gonna get everything that I was going to be that I had installed on this. So I'll be right back when this is done installing. Okay, so we have the install that literally took like 5 minutes. So now we're just going through the initial setup process. We're going through the initial setup process, and everything should be. I'm gonna get my username and stuff in, and then we're going to be able to get everything started. Okay, we are here. Before we do anything, I'm going to install VirtualBox Guest Editions because this is really laggy right now. So yeah, we're gonna do it. So yeah, I'll be right back when we have it installed. Okay, I'm gonna get my password wrong on purpose so I can show you guys my password hint. My password hint is password hint. Just wanted to say that because I can. Okay, now that we have the drivers installed, now let's get our applications. And I want this to be like exactly, so I might have to get some older versions of the application, but so yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, now that we have Chrome, it's already pinned to my taskbar. Yeah. Now that we have Chrome, before we get anything else, I actually want to find what theme I had, and because I do not remember, but I'm going to do my best. Okay, I found it. It was this one. I love this. I'm gonna go, yeah, it was this one. I'm gonna put this one on my main too, so yeah, I'll do that real quick. I like it so much, so I'm gonna use it on my main. Yeah, we're gonna go to new desktop next desktop background. Yeah, yada yada yada. I like this theme a lot. It's really cool. So yeah, I like it a lot, so I'm gonna be using it on my main as well. So I hope you guys like it too. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the theme. So now let's get back to the virtual machine. Okay, so now we're gonna get Firefox. Yeah, now we're gonna get Firefox 52.9. Yes, sir. Because it is probably the best version of Firefox you'll ever see. Okay, if I'm being honest, this Internet Archive website is such a great website. It helps me find everything tech related I need. like all the old programs, a lot of operating system ISOs. Like I got the ISO for this operating system on that site. I definitely, if you're looking for cool stuff, like browsers, old versions of stuff, like definitely check this site out. It'll be in the description. Okay, so now we have Firefox installed, and I'm pretty sure I made it to the point where it cannot update, because I always really liked this version when I was using Windows XP and some newer operating systems as well. It's just generally really good. So if you're looking for good performance, this web browser works perfectly fine. The older version of Firefox works great, except some websites may not work, but still, I highly recommend it. So now it's time for the next thing. Yeah, and it is Microsoft Office 2010. If you guys did not pay attention in the video, I have Microsoft Office 2010 installed, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Site file. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna let it download. And again, this is on archive.org. I swear to God, this is the most helpful site I've ever been on. So yeah, I'll be back when it's installed, or when we can install it. Okay, so it is installed now, so we're going, well, at least the ISO is downloaded. We still need to install it. So now we're going to install it. Please wait while setup prepares the necessary files. We will wait for that. I accept the agreement, install now. And this might take a while, because in past experiences it has taken a while, so yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, it's done. So now we're going to get all of it. Well, no. Yeah, now I think, yeah. I'm gonna get all set up real quick. Like, I'll at least put it on the desktop so I can still show you I've done some of it. Okay, so now we're gonna copy these to the desktop. At least the ones I want to use. Well, quote unquote want to use. And I had a alignment like that. I did not want to open that. But I open it. Taskbar. Oh my god, I don't want this. Get me out. Yeah, I don't want to make any changes. Yeah, I'm going to pin these to taskbar, even though I probably would never use them. But I, again, wanted to make an exact replica, or at least as close as I could. So yeah, now it's time to move on to the next one. Okay, next, for some odd reason, is Chromium. I honestly don't get why I downloaded this 2 years ago. And I genuinely don't know why I downloaded that. but yeah, I'm gonna download that. Okay, I downloaded it. I don't know if I had this or not, but I need to download WinRAR for this. So yeah, because you cannot, in this version, you cannot open zip files with Windows Explorer, so I need to download WinRAR. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I downloaded WinRAR so I can actually open the zip file. I love how I have WinRAR open on my physical system too, but I think we're getting close to getting this complete. Oh, okay. No. Yeah, I guess we'll skip that. And I'm pretty sure now we're complete. For the most part, because there's some stuff that I can't get. So now it's time to move to part 2 of the video. And if you're wondering what that is, if you didn't hear the intro, if like I said in the intro, we're dual booting. So now it's time to get the Windows 7 file. Okay, so now, and then now we're going to restart and boot to that. If I can actually click restart. Okay, so now we have, now we're going to repeat basically the exact same process, where it's just, I'm thinking of setting it up my own way, because I don't quite remember how it was set up, because in the video I just had a stupid background and a browser. So this one we're just going to set up kind of how I want to set up a computer. So this is also going to be how I would typically set up a computer. So I hope you guys like that. And I also kind of hope you guys understand, because this is from 3 years ago and my memory is not as good. But this has so far brought me a lot of nostalgia. If there's anything else you want me to do to this virtual machine, because I'll add more operating systems and make this like the craziest boot experiment. Because, and I, so yeah, let me know in the comments what you think I should do. So now we'll just be right back when it's done. Or when it comes to the next step. Okay, this part, was probably one of the most catchy parts of the video, because it was the thumbnail, I think. I'm pretty sure that was the thumbnail, so like, that was pretty iconic. Just, I had to start recording there. So yeah. Yeah. If I can actually get my host key so I can pause the recording. Okay, so the guest editions driver is not working for some reason, so we're just gonna have to live with it. But like, oh, downloads on this one, users, that downloads, and I'm going to transfer everything from that to the desktop. So yeah, and then we'll get everything installed. Okay, so now we got everything that I'm going to be needing. The theme, this. Oh no, this isn't quite the one I wanted, actually. Yeah, let's delete that and I'll get the actual one I wanted. Okay, we're gonna act like that never happened, and this is the one I'm going to use in this install. Yeah, this one looks cool. Yeah, this one's cool. So yeah, this is the one we're gonna use. We're gonna install Firefox. Yeah, I'm very sorry about the custom. Yeah. And yes, we're done. Don't import anything. Okay, so now we're gonna get the next item. Okay, installing Chrome now, and then I'm gonna need to get some other stuff downloaded so I can get what else I want. Firefox is going to update. Unfortunately, I tried to cancel it, but I don't think that's how it works. But for this one, it'll be fine. It's not. I don't exactly remember what I had, so that's fine. So now, while it installs, we're gonna get WinRAR, because this one's fast. You think it would be, at least. Yeah, install. There we go. Now I can use WinRAR for ISOs. And now we can get the next one installed. Even though I'd rather use Power ISO for this. Well, and while that installs, we're going to download that. Okay, this is exactly why we need graphics drivers. This is exactly why we need graphics drivers, y'all. Which is why I'm sad it's not working. And ignore the baby crying. That's my sister. Okay, basically I did it because there's nothing else I'm gonna need to install, because Office is failed to install. But I'll make another video another day on how I would set up a computer, and So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Because now that if I restart, yeah, I'll just manually restart. So like, yeah, there's Windows 8.1, which has all the drivers and stuff. Like, everything got installed properly, which is, if you're going to install a newer if you can't afford a new computer and it's like a really low-end system, this is what I would recommend. Like, if you know somebody who needs, like, this is great for low-end systems. Like, again, in my last video, I used it for a 2002 on a 2002 laptop, which was compatible. Well, I don't know if it was released between 2002 and 2005, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you find this video helpful, but even though this was quite just more like an experiment. But yeah, it's definitely brought me tons of nostalgia. And that's good. I like it. I like that. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later, I guess.